In this how-to video, we're going to be taking a look at a fix for the infinite scroll iPad glitch. So yesterday I discovered my first glitch with Adobe Muse, and it's when running your site on an iPad, but the iPad needs to be running the tablet version of your site. So far, if I try this with the phone version or the desktop version of my site on iPads, it works perfectly fine. It's just the tablet version. So as you can see, when you scroll down to the bottom, it will just keep going and going and going. And if you keep going for a long time and you eventually want to scroll back up to the top, you have to scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll to try and make it back to the top. Fortunately, the fix is very, very simple. So while you have your file open, go to File and Site Properties, and then click on Tablet and uncheck Sticky Footer. Hit OK, go ahead, re-upload your site, and that will fix the glitch.